Wondering the reasons why to use hypoallergenic toilet paper? Believe it or not, there are some people who are actually allergic to toilet paper. The reason is pretty simple. Some toilet paper products incorporate some chemicals into their manufacturing which, in turn, may cause allergies. That's why a lot of people these days opt to go for a hypoallergenic toilet paper so that they won't need to suffer from any allergic reactions. If you're like me, you'll be able to appreciate this short review list of the best hypoallergenic toilet paper products you can buy. Choosing the best hypoallergenic toilet paper. But before we get to the reviews, let us first get to know how you can choose the best hypoallergenic toilet paper on the market. The whole point of doing this is to allow you to have grading criteria that you can follow. Take note that we'll be listing down 5 of the best ones in the market. If you want to zero in on the ones that really suit your preferences, you need to choose just 1 or 2. This buying guide will help you with that. Here are the factors that you need to take into consideration. Ply. The first thing that you may want to consider is the ply of the toilet paper. When we're talking about ply, we're referring to the thickness of the toilet paper. So if you get a 1-ply toilet paper, you'll only get toilet paper with 1 layer of paper. If you get a 2-ply toilet paper, you'll get a 2-layer toilet paper that has more thickness. But why is this important? The reason is that the thickness will determine how strong it is. If you want a toilet paper that won't tear apart that easily, then it's best to get the 2-ply version. However, I'd say that the more economic option is the 1-ply type since it doesn't require that much toilet paper. Therefore, if you're pretty particular with eco-friendliness, then you'd probably want to get the 1-ply toilet paper. Material used. Next, you need to consider the material used. If you're looking for a hypoallergenic toilet paper roll, then you need to get one made of natural ingredients. Some of these include bamboo, recycled paper, aloe, or gentle cotton. You may want to avoid toilet paper with bleach, chlorine, fragrances, and even dye. That said, if you see any of these ingredients in your toilet paper pack, don't buy it because it may cause you some bad allergies in the long run. Softness. Another thing that you need to consider is the softness of the toilet paper. Honestly, there really is no way to tell the softness of a toilet paper roll by just reading the package because any brand can claim that their toilet paper is soft. You can try to press your finger against it to see, but this will just give you a general idea. As a rule of thumb, bamboo seems to be the softest toilet paper material that you can find, so you can use that as a guideline. Rolls per pack. The last thing you want to consider is the number of rolls per pack. Obviously, the more rolls in a pack, the cheaper the toilet roll package is. Generally, there are 24 rolls in one pack, but there are toilet paper rolls that come in 48 rolls per pack. Therefore, the one you buy will really depend on how much toilet paper you use. If you have a pretty big family and use a lot of toilet paper, you might as well buy the 48 rolls per pack rolls so you can save some money. 5 of the best hypoallergenic toilet papers. Now that we're done with our buying guide, let's move on to the actual reviews. Before we proceed, do keep in mind that the products I've included in this list were all based on hours of extensive research. This involved careful consideration of their features, their current prices, and a brief comparison of each product. Without further ado, here are 5 hypoallergenic toilet papers which I believe are among the best in the market. 7th generation unbleached tissue. First on the list is the 7th generation unbleached tissue. This is a thick 2-ply toilet roll that is perfect for outdoor camping as it works perfectly for sewer systems. Notice that there are some toilet papers that can't seem to go down the drain because it's too tough or thick. However, this one's perfect for weak toilet bowls that are usually used in RVs or campers. Aside from that, you'll also like that this tissue roll comes in 48 double roll packs. If you want to save some money by buying in bulk, then this is the one that you'll want to buy. Lastly, it's not bleached, dyed, nor chemically infused. It's also made out of recycled paper, which makes it really safe for use. Needless to say, you won't get any allergic reactions when using this toilet roll. Pros. 2-ply toilet roll. 100% recycled paper material. No dye, no ink, no perfume, and no bleach. 48 double rolls in one pack. Soft enough to be flushed by weak toilets. Cons: not that soft on the skin. Rough surface. Cottonelle Ultra GentleCare Sensitive Toilet Paper. The Cottonelle Ultra Sensitive Toilet Paper is rather unique in the sense that it contains both aloe and vitamin E. This is not really something that you'd usually find in most toilet rolls. If you're looking for a rather healthy toilet paper, then this is the one you should buy. Aside from its healthy ingredients, it's also strong and much more absorbent compared to a lot of toilet papers. To sum it all up, it is strong, absorbent, and healthy all at the same time, making it one of the best toilet rolls you can find in the market. Pros: thick and strong toilet paper. 1-ply toilet paper. Infused with aloe and vitamin E. Does not contain any dye. Very soft texture. Cons: slippery texture. The size of the toilet roll is rather small compared to other toilet rolls. Charmin Ultra Gentle Toilet Paper. Charmin is actually quite a well-known brand of toilet paper, and that's why we included it on this list. Just as the name implies, it is actually a very gentle toilet paper. If your skin is very sensitive and easily scratches against rough toilet paper textures, then this is perfect for you. This toilet paper is extremely soft, so soft that it won't irritate your skin no matter how hard you wipe with it. It is definitely one of the most comfortable ones that you can ever find in the market. Pros: contains a total of 286 sheets for every roll. Extremely soft and gentle on the skin. Safe and dermatologist tested. Doesn't easily get clogged up in toilets. 2-ply toilet paper. Cons: small-sized toilet roll. Tears quite easily. Green Forest Premium Recycled Bathroom Tissue. There are two things that make this unique compared to other toilet rolls. First, it has large sheet sizes. A lot of bathroom tissues have small sizes which make them deplete really fast. If you want a longer-lasting toilet paper, then you'd probably want a roll with more sheets and big-size types. This one, in particular, will last you a pretty long time. The second aspect is that it is extremely biodegradable as it's made of 90% post-consumer recycled material. Pros: made of 90% post-consumer recycled material. Doesn't contain any chlorine for whitening. Extremely hypoallergenic. Very big sheet size. More sheets on the roll. Cons: very rough texture. Not much thickness. Aria Premium Earth-Friendly Toilet Paper. This particular toilet paper is a premium quality toilet paper that is more than 50% plant-based while the other half is a recyclable material. If you're looking for a very eco-friendly toilet paper, this is a pretty good choice. Aside from its eco-friendly properties, it has a pretty big size of 821.3 square feet, a strong 2-ply layer, and a high number of sheets per roll. Pros: big-sized sheets. Made of 50% plant-based material. 308 sheets per roll. 2-ply layer. 30% thicker than most toilet papers. Cons: powdery texture. Tends to have a strange smell. With this set of reviews, you'll now have a pretty narrowed down choice about which hypoallergenic toilet paper you should choose. Now, you may be wondering which one I think is the best out of the list. Well, since we're talking about hypoallergenic properties, I'd choose the healthiest one on this list. That said, I'd definitely choose the Cottonelle Ultra GentleCare Sensitive Toilet Paper. I chose this out of the 5 picks by comparing all the features of each product. By using the buying guide to compare products, I was able to see that this product has the best materials for sensitive skin, namely aloe and vitamin E. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.